So lahat na tatanong ko, hindi nyo alam. So ba't tayo nag-uusap dito? Ba't pa kayo nandito kung hindi nyo masagot lahat ng mga tanong namin? Wag na lang sana kayo pumunta rito. Yari tayo.
So ito nga mga bayan, dito naman tayo sa Senate hearing sa pangyayari sa hearing ni Senator Rapi Tulfo para sa mga pinatawag niyang opisyalis ng DND at PNP. Pero ang laking katanungan ni Senator Rapi Tulfo dahil hindi po masagot ng mga opisyal na to ang mga katanungan ng mga senators. So what's po natin mga kabayan ang nangyayari sa Senate hearing na ito mga kabayan?
Is for NICA or meron ba tayong Intelligence Service of the Armed Forces of the Philippines or ISAF? You're from the ISAF, good. Yung mga nabibigyan ng immigration ng 9G visa ng mga Chinese nationals to work here in the Philippines, say mga Chinese teachers, how do you monitor these people? Kasi may batas sa China, yung tinatawag nilang Chinese Espionage Law, na bilang Chinese citizen, obligado ka sa batas nila na mag-espiya para sa bansa nila. Now, marami mga Chinese nationals na nabigyan ng 9G visa to work here, say sa mga school. Example lang sa Xavier, that's a Chinese school. Imbis na West Philippine Sea ang tatawagin doon sa tinatawag na West Philippine Sea, tinuturuan yung mga estudyante na tawagin yung South China Sea. Inobligay mga bata na matuto mag-Mandarin. That is something na pag-influence sa mga bata.
Horizoning, isa po sa mga tinignan po natin is kung paano po pa natin papaitingin ang ating cyber defense capabilities po.
Ito yung Horizon 3 ng AFP Modernization Program, which is well supported here in the Senate.
Yes, which we would like to thank the Honorable Senate po for constantly supporting this in them. Then, yeah.
Mr. Chair?
Yeah, before that, si Senator Senator Rafi?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, maybe this question is for NICA or meron ba tayong Intelligence Service of the Armed Forces of the Philippines or ISAF? You're from the ISAF, good. Yung mga nabibigyan ng immigration ng 9G visa ng mga Chinese nationals to work here in the Philippines, say mga Chinese teachers, how do you monitor these people? Kasi may batas sa China, yung tinatawag nilang Chinese Espionage Law, na bilang Chinese citizen, obligado ka sa batas nila na mag-espiya para sa bansa nila. Now, marami mga Chinese nationals na nabigyan ng 9G visa to work here, say sa mga school. Example lang sa Xavier, that's a Chinese school. Imbis na West Philippine Sea ang tatawagin doon sa tinatawag na West Philippine Sea, tinuturuan yung mga estudyante na tawagin yung South China Sea. Inobligay mga bata na matuto mag-Mandarin. That is something na pag-influence sa mga bata. But anyway, balik tayo doon sa nabibigyan ng 9G visa. Is there anybody? Minumonitor nyo ba yun, sir?
Sir, General Pasco, sir, from the office of J2. Sir, currently I am not fully aware of the 9G visa as to the elements and other, but I will research on that, sir, and will be part of our submission, sir, to the...
So from now on, dapat meron kayong coordination sa Bureau of Immigration. Lahat ng mga, hindi ko nila lahat. Each and every Chinese nationals that were given 9G visa to work here, dapat meron kayong monitoring system. Dahil again, like I said, may batas sa China na inuobliga lahat ng Chinese citizen na mag-espiya para sa bansa nila.
Yes, sir.
Batas nila yon.
We will include that in our monitoring, sir.
Okay. My second question is, during the previous administration, nag-donate ang China ng maraming computers by the hundreds or even thousands. And ang balita ko, pati AFP ata nabigyan ng computer na made in China dahil China dun, or PNP. Ano nangyari sa mga computer na yun hanggang ngayon ba? in possession pa rin kayo sa mga computer na yan? PNP or?
Good morning, Mr. Chair, and to the honorable senators. For the PNP, sir, I'm not yet privy for the computers that was.
Mr. Chairman, may I just ask a procedural with the permission of Senator Raffy Tulfo? It's
Yeah,
sort of like a point of order.
Good.
Kasi I noticed, Mr. Chairman, on many of our hearings, hindi nag-attend yung heads of the departments. So many of these people cannot speak for their bosses.
Exactly.
Yes, these are all representatives, Mr. Chairman. Maybe you should have another hearing and send the heads of the department a show cause order where they should not be subpoenaed. Because how much do they want this bill, Mr. Chairman?
Kasi puro alipores lang eh.
Sana lahat yung mga those invited, they should have, we should have invited, where's the COMSEC? Should have invited the heads of the government because this is a very critical issue.
With due respect to all of them, I know these guys are capable people, but this is a very important bill. We're talking about anti-intelligence gathering of different nationalities here in the Philippines. I think this is a very important measure. It needs the heads of agencies here to brief us. With due respect to everyone here.
May continue. Yung DND na bigyan din eh ng mga computers eh. Again, di mo alam ano. So lahat na tatanong ko, hindi nyo alam. So ba't pa tayo nag-uusap dito? Ba't pa kayo nandito kung hindi nyo masagot lahat ng mga tanong namin? And these are important questions that needs to be answered. But you always say, kanina pa, na hindi ko alam. Eh, wag na lang sana kayo pumunta rito. Again, importante sa akin to eh. Alam ko yung DND at PNP na bigyan ng mga computer donated by China. Several hundreds. Now, gusto ko lang malaman anong status ng mga computer na yon. Kasi ang alam naman siguro natin, hindi naman ako techie, hindi naman ako IT, pero yung isang computer system, pwedeng lagyan ng virus yan na later on, remote control, yung virus na yon, pwedeng pagaganahin at any given time kung sino ang nagplanta ng virus na yon sa computer na yon. So what happens kung yun ay yung sa mga computer na may virus na ibigay sa DND? Well, may binigay sa DND pero nagkataon na ilan doon ay hawak-hawak ng DND and it so happen yung mga computer na hawak pa ng mga chief of staff ninyo. Hawak ng mga lieutenant general ninyo. You don't know?
Are you not aware of these computers that were donated by China?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I have no personal knowledge as to, I think it falls within the purview. Siguro po, administrative service po namin yung makakasagot.
No. DND also accepted
Mr.
donation
Chairman,
from them.
when I was Senate President, we had a briefing with the intelligence communities on this. It was admitted by then SILG, at that time, not Remulla, I think it was Abalos, that there were, and the PNP chief at that time, that there was several hundreds, tama po si Senator Raffy, na donate sa PNP and the DILG. Kaya sinabi nga namin kay Presidente, dapat iparicall yung palitan. So he directed at that time the ICT Secretary, Ivan Uy, to do so. So I do not know the status now, Mr. Chairman. Thank you to Senator Tulfo for bringing this up.
Not only the PNP or DILG, also sa DND nakapag-donate by the hundreds. Yung nga sabi ko, eh kung yung computer na galing sa China na may virus yon controlled by China, eh napunta sa mga general ninyo na may sensitibong posisyon, yari tayo.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, we will include po, we'll check on it po. Then we will include po a status update in our submission po.
Can you give us a report within a week to all agencies concerned, DND, the PNP, and who else? NBI? Nakatanggap din kaya ng...
Mr. Chair, as far as I know, wala kami. Although, most if not all of our computers are made in China, but these are not donated by China. Made in China, yung Dell and HP, Your Honors.
Thank you, Director Lavin. Yeah, isa pa yon, made in China. So, paano nyo malaman na yung made in China ng mga computer na binili ninyo at alam ng China na kayo ang bumili sa NBI na yun po ay malagyan ng virus na later on nagamit nila para mag-espiya sa NBI?
To respond, Mr. Chair, we rely on the manufacturer, yung Dell and HP.
But you said meron kayong mga computers made in China.
Mostly, Your Honors, kasi most of our consumer products now or goods are made in China.
Oh, but there are computers that are made in Europe, made in US, or any other countries for that matter. But made in China, hindi ko sinasabi lahat ng mga produkto galing sa China ay masasama o yan ay magagamit for espionage. But what I'm saying is, we have to be very careful. Dapat meron kayong ginagawang screening or vetting to ensure na yung mga computer na ginagamit ninyo dyan sa NBI na made in China ay talagang nasara ninyo, nasiguro ninyo na walang virus na itanim dyan para gamitin pag-espionage sa NBI.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We will double check on that. But our procurement process is through our bidding. Ang budget namin kinukuha yung binigay nyo sa amin sa GAA.
Okay lang po sana kung sa mga ibang agency na gumamit sila made in China computers for all I care, kahit na pati mga ilaw, pati air condition made in China, no problem with me. Pero para sa mga agencies tulad ng NBI, NICA, AFP, PNP, PCG, siguro iwasan muna natin gumamit ng mga computers. No, really, seriously, na made in China. Pero any other products, pwede naman siguro. Bumili kayo ng silya na made in China, bili kayo ng aircon made in China, TV made in China, okay lang. Baski TV nga, delikado eh. Pwede kasing lagyan ng monitoring din yung television ngayon. High-tech na. So, ibig sabihin nito, Mr. Chair, lahat ng mga computer system natin sa gobyerno, especially tulad sabi ko na merong intelligence agency concerned like NBI, we have to screen those computers to make sure na walang planted na virus sa computer na yon. Kasi halimbawa, katulad nyo, sabi nyo, Director Lavin, diba, bumibili halos lahat ng computer nyo galing sa China at alam ng China yon, monitored nila yon. O, NBI, parokyano natin sa mga computer to. At pwedeng tanman nyo ng virus para ma-monitor yung mga activities niyo, kung ano mga pinagsasabi nyo doon sa computer ninyo, pag-communication ninyo sa NBI, sapul na agad kayo. So dapat na-screen nyo po yun. Do you do that kind of screening? Wala, sir.
As of now, I'm not aware na ginagawa ng NBI yan. This is too far from yung security awareness. But with the reminder, we will take that up with our technical experts. Also, not only on the procurement, but also on the disposal, Your Honor, if I may suggest. Kasi at the FBI, where Senator Bato here is a graduate also of the FBI National Academy, yung disposal ng kanilang copying machines ay distraction. At kasi they believe na pati yung computers, kasi they believe na meron itong capability to retain yung computer data. May storage ito. So distraction ang sa kanila. So we will take that up. As a matter of fact, what is allowed now is nagre-rent ang government offices doon sa mga parang reproduction companies, to provide them the services. I think we should look at this in line with the thought of the good Senator Rapi. Thank you, Your Honors, Mr. Chair.
Salamat, Mr. Chair. Maybe the NICA can advise all government agencies na sa law enforcement, especially sa intelligence, siguro kayo rin kasama sa trabaho niyo yon, na screen siguro properly lahat ng mga computer system na ginagamit. Tulad sa NBI, puro China, made in China pala mga computers na hindi nga donated pero binili nila made in China, at alam ng China na yun ay galing sa kanila, at alam ng China na ang parokyano pala nila NBI. So sa susunod na procurement nyo, bilikin mga bagong computer, pwede nang kargahan yun, katakot-takot na virus para ma-spian kayo, di ba, sir? So yun lang po ang advice ko. And Nika?
Thank you, sir. On the part po of NICA, sir, very strict po kami in terms of procuring computers, and we have a dedicated unit po that conducts screening of the computers, and regular po ang check-up nila dyan kasi we are very much aware na marami pong cyber attacks ngayon. And this is also in compliance po with the recently issued Executive Order 54 that mandates NICA to create a directorate for cyber. And kung hindi ho ako nagkakamali, yung cyber namin is in coordination with different government agencies para po sa close monitoring of these how these cyber attacks are being conducted. And that includes po yung mga screening po ng computers, both sa software and hardware po.
Okay, last na naman, Mr. Chair. Last na, ang apat palang tanong ko eh. Okay, yung Israel's Ministry of Defense nakapag-flag down ng electric car made in China na nagagamit pang espionage. Are any of you aware of that? So marami tayong electric car, electric vehicles. Hindi ko sinasabi na magkaroon tayong xenophobia dito, against China, especially magkaroon planning na tayo sa mga made in China products, but I'm just trying to open up awareness para sa ating mga taga-gobyerno, because sino ba naman ang palaging pinag-uusapan pag West Philippine Sea ang paksa, di China, di ba? Meron bang makasagot noon? And then wala. Yung mga electric vehicle, NBI siguro can answer. And then one follow-up question, and then I've got to go.
Your Honors, Mr. Chair, if I may just share one of our operations. Ito yung tinatawag nila na autonomous unmanned vehicle. Ito yung unang sinasabi nila na nagmo-monitor lang sila ng traffic, yung road size, yung situation, but we believe na dito patungo yon. At they may be spying on our itong ating traffic environment, kung saan pwedeng gamitin ito. We believe na may kinalaman dito yon. But again, ang sa amin dito is yung sa espionage and in relation to cybercrime. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, ito na lang, Mr. Chair. Ba't hindi tayo magbuo ng isang task force against foreign interference? Like National Task Force Against Foreign Interference, meron to sa ibang bansa eh. But wala ba tayong ganito, Nika, na parang combined, nandiyan yung NBI, PNP, nandiyan yung AFP, and Nika, and with one goal, which is bantayan yung mga ginagawang interference ng mga foreign entities dito sa Pilipinas. Do we have that kind of task force?
At present, sir, we do not have a task force dedicated to monitoring foreign interference. But during in the past Congress po, in the 19th Congress, there was a bill filed by the former Senator Tolentino, proposing for the creation of an interagency task force which would focus on foreign interference, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so it needs legislation at yung bill na yon hindi nakapasa.
Hindi po siya nakatawid sa 20th Congress. Noong 19th Congress po, meron pong na-file si former Senator Tolentino proposing po for the creation of a council which would particularly focus on foreign interference, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, Senator Rafi. Senator Migs.
So ganun nga mga kabayan, parang walang nangyari sa Senate hearing na ito ni Senator Rafi Tulfo dahil wala namang may sagot ang mga pinatawag niyang mga opisyalis ng DND at PNP. Comment lang po kayo sa inyong mga reaksyon sa video na ito.